गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा, गुड मॉर्निंग। सॉरी फॉर लेट बेटा। हरियर बेटा, हरियर मार्क योर अटेंडेंस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ज्वाइन, राइट योर नेम एंड क्लास। हरियर बेटा, कम टू ज्वाइन द क्लास। Write your name and section beta, please hurry up. Yes beta, today we will start your next portion, that is work, energy and power. Anyone student from grade 11 A or B, please mark your attendance beta. Hurry up beta, please write your section. Write your section beta if you are from grade 11 or B. Yes beta. So beta, our next topic is work, energy and power. So in work, energy and power, we will discuss about, there are two questions, that is elastic collision in one dimension and elastic collision in two dimension. These two questions are very important. So we can try some numerical. जो भी आपका एग्जाम हुआ बेटा, उसमें भी आपका एक न्यूमेरिकल आया था इसके ऊपर, और एक क्वेश्चन भी था, that is elastic collision in one dimension and two dimension. So beta, before we start elastic collision in one dimension and two dimension, there are some questions that is related to what is work done, or work done with a constant force, work done with a variable force, and next is energy. Energy are of two types, that is kinetic energy and potential energy. So kinetic energy and potential energy can be proved. That means it can be proved by a two method. One is simple method, one is alternate method, and another one is work, energy and theorem. So you know the work, energy and theorem, that is work, energy and theorem 1 by 2 mv square minus 1 by 2 mu square. It's your work energy theorem. So work energy theorem, after that we will try some numerical which is based upon work energy and theorem. So wait for a minute beta. Yes beta, please write one numerical which is based upon that work, energy and power. So you can try the last numerical which is based upon your kinematics, vector and a projectile. Please write the numerical, you can solve this. The descending, right beta, the descending force parallel to the surface of contact, which opposes the relative motion between the two surface when one ball rolls over the another with kinetic friction 0.2, with kinetic friction 0.2, calculate the static friction. So beta, you can note down the force is this numerical depend upon your last chapter. That is, force is directly proportional to normal reaction. Force is directly proportional to normal reaction. So F is equal to mu into R. If you calculate mu, that is equal to F upon R. If you calculate mu, that is equal to F upon R. Yes, beta. Beta, you can see on the board. Is there is any problem? Then write. Yes, beta. बेटा वेट कर रहा हूं. Is there any problem? Then type the message. You can see on the board or not? बेटा कोई रिस्पॉन्स ही नहीं कर रहा है. बोर्ड के ऊपर क्लियर नजर आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है भाई? बोलो. यस बेटा. नॉट विजिबल. ओके ओके बेटा. वेट फॉर मिनट बेटा. वेट फॉर मिनट बेटा. वेट फॉर ए मिनट. Yes, beta. You know, work energy theorem is equal to 1 by 2 mv square minus 1 by 2 mu square. It's your work energy theorem. The kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. This can be proved by two methods, with simple method and analytical method. And the potential energy is equal to mgh. तो बेटा मैं बात कर रहा हूं आपको कि there is two question which is depend upon your elastic collision in one dimension and two dimension. So we can try one numerical. We can try one numerical which is based upon your kinetic energy. So beta, elastic collision in one dimension. In one dimension. So beta, you know, elastic collision in one dimension. Elastic collision in one dimension. In one dimension. So beta, there is a one ball A whose mass is m1, initial velocity u1. Here is the second ball, mass is m2, initial velocity u2. Now these two balls collide with each other, A and B. Now after that, A ball moving with velocity, final velocity v1, and the second ball v2 with the final velocity v2. There is two balls A and B. Before collision, its initial velocity u1 and u2, and after collision, its velocity is v1 and v2. Now we can. What is an elastic collision in one dimension? Elastic collision in one dimension means the kinetic energy and momentum remain conserved. So beta, we can write here this is your before collision, this is your during collision, and this is your after collision, after collision. So beta we can write here m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Mean initial momentum is equal to final momentum. Now the kinetic energy 1 by 2 m1 u1 square 1 by 2 m2 u2 square is equal to 1 by 2 m1 v1 square plus 1 by 2 m2 v2 square. यहाँ पे बेटा मैंने मोमेंटम लिखा and second one is your kinetic energy. Now we can consider this first equation and this is your second equation. Now from equation 1, from equation 1 यहाँ से बेटा m1 remain common, m1, so here is u1 minus v1, that is equal to right side बेटा m2 remain common, there is an equation v2 minus u2. बेटा सॉल्व कर रहे हैं इसको. Now from the second equation, from equation second, 1 by 2 remain cancel out, so here m1 u1 square minus v1 square is equal to m2 क्या आ जाएगा बेटा v2 square minus u2 square. This is your equation number 3rd and this is your equation number 4. Now we can divide equation 4 by 3. 4 से बेटा थर्ड को डिवाइड करना है m1 u1 square minus v1 square डिवाइड बाय m1 u1 minus v1 is equal to m2 v2 square minus u2 square divided by m2 into v2 minus u2. Now m2 m1 remain cancel out. So there is an equation, mean you can solve this u1 minus v1, you can see beta, and u1 plus v1 divided by क्या आ जाएगा बेटा u1 minus v1 and on the right side v2 minus u2 into v2 plus u2 divided by v2 minus u2. Now this equation can be cancelled out. So there is an equation, हमारे पास इक्वेशन बच रही है बेटा u1 plus v1, you can see on the left hand side is equal to v2 plus u2. ये इक्वेशन आ रही है बेटा. अब इस इक्वेशन को हमने रीअरेंज करना है. हाउ टू रीअरेंज? we can calculate the value of v1. So बेटा v1 is equal to u1, sorry, v1 is equal to v2 plus u2 minus u1. अब ये v1 की वैल्यू बेटा मैंने यहाँ पे इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में पुट कर दी. v1 की वैल्यू आ रही है, we can put this value in equation number 1. So बेटा here m1 wait, यहाँ पे बेटा m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v2 plus u2 minus u1 plus m2 v2. This is your equation. ये बेटा मैंने v1 की वैल्यू निकाली जो कि आपकी इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में पुट कर रहा हूं. अब बेटा यहाँ पे सॉल्व करना है m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v2 plus m1 u2 minus m1 u1 plus m2 v2. बेटा now rearrange this equation. How to rearrange this equation? तो बेटा हमने इसको रीअरेंज करना है. हाँ जी बेटा रीअरेंज करेंगे इसको, यू कैन सी. और रीअरेंज करके बेटा मेरे को यहाँ पे राइट करके बताएंगे व्हाट इज द, यू कैन कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ v1 एंड v2 फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन. मैंने यहाँ पे बेटा चेक करूंगा, यू कैन सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. हरी अप. हरिए बेटा. यहां से ये देखो इधर m1 u1 और यहाँ पे m1 u1. This right side it is negative, mean 2m1 u1, next is m2 u2, और यहाँ पे m1 u2, u2 remain common, mean m2 minus m1 और u1 बेटा मैंने कॉमन ले लिया is equal to right side m1 b2 m2 b2, mean m1 plus m2 or here b2. So you can calculate the value of b2, mean that is equal to 2m1 u1 plus m2 minus m1 u1 divide by total mass m1 plus m2. ये बेटा मेरे पास b2 की वैल्यू आ रही है। अगर आप नेक्स्ट इसी इक्वेशन से, इस इक्वेशन से अगर आप b2 की वैल्यू निकालें और b2 की वैल्यू आपने कहां पे पुट करनी है, फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन, इस इक्वेशन में पुट करोगे, then you can get the value of b1 that is equal to 2m2 u2 plus m1 minus m2 u2 divide by total mass m1 plus m2. So beta, this is the velocity, final velocity. This is your final velocity after the collision when two balls collide with each other. This is your final velocity. If you calculate v1 and v2, now after that we can solve some special case which is depend upon this final velocity. Meaning if two balls collide with each other, it can move with the final velocity that is v1 and v2. तो यहाँ से बेटा हमने एक स्पेशल केस निकालना है. This is your v1 and this is your v2. सॉल्व करेंगे बेटा, लिखेंगे स्पेशल केसेस का फर्स्ट, इफ द टारगेट बॉडी इज एट रेस्ट, राइट बेटा, इफ द टारगेट बॉडी इज एट रेस्ट, प्लीज राइट and put the value in v1 and v2. Yes beta, right, when the target body is at rest, या फर्स्ट केस आप बोल सकते हैं if m1 is equal to m2 is equal to m, मतलब both the body are of equal mass, दोनों बॉडी का मास जो है इक्वल है, it means your v1 yes beta, if both the body are of equal mass, it's your special case. Now this value mean v2 is equal to 2m u1 plus m minus m into u1 divide by m plus m. अब बेटा देखो इधर m minus m mean 0, so v2 is equal to 2m u1 divided by 2m, 2m remain cancel out, so v2 is equal to u1. मतलब final velocity of the second ball that is equal to initial velocity of the first ball if the two objects are of equal mass. Now v1 is equal to, ये देखो बेटा क्या लिखेंगे, 2m u2 plus m minus m divided by 2m, it means 2m remain cancel out, v1 is equal to u2, mean the final velocity of first ball is equal to initial velocity of the second ball. Now after that, if u2 is equal to 0, v1 u2 0, आ जाएगा बेटा। यहाँ पे आपने पुट करना है इफ द टारगेट बॉडी इज एट रेस्ट। सो बेटा यू कैन ट्राई इफ द टारगेट बॉडी इज एट रेस्ट पुट द वैल्यू इन b1 एंड b2। और ये बेटा